Hey guys, on this episode, exciting times. We're going to go up to exclusive. We're going to pick a colour. We're going to mix some paint. We're going to get some paint on the car. We've got the hardcover delivered. We're going to mount that. We're then going to bring the car back here, get the engine in it, gearbox in it, front end back in it, start bolting the parts back on. Stay tuned. How thick is it, eh? Compared to what it was.
Yeah. Look how straight it is.
I know.
Bang the little motor in.
She just painted light silver. It actually looks pretty cool. They did really work their magic.
You just, old cars, hey, it's hard to get them straight, but like, look at that.
All right, let's get this hardcover out.
Yep.
See if it fits, because if you ordered the wrong one,
Hope not.
you would have.
Says fragile.
I hope it's got a heap of packaging on it, because it looks like it'll fit a Commodore.
Yeah, I reckon they've wrapped it about 40 times, so.
I hope so, because it'll fit a Commodore at the moment.
Yeah, there we go.
I'll go all the way around.
Yeah, you've got the front.
Yeah. But it's also got the mounting bar on it, and there's a bit of paper. We don't want to mess with the boys' mask job.
Let's just have a quick look.
How sick is that? See, mad dat. Pick a car that other people have done up before, makes it that little bit easier. All right, so this is the fun part now. Checked out the Datsun, looks unreal in primer. It's ready for paint. So we're gonna pick the color. Now I told Glenn, just find a cool gunmetal gray that's nice for him to paint, not too hard, but it's gonna look unreal. And Glenn, we've got a couple here.
Yep.
What are you thinking?
I'm thinking this. I'm thinking that one.
Painted that colour?
Yeah.
Can we mix a bit of that and have a look, and then we'll show Ryan and the boys and everyone?
Yep, 100%.
We'll take it outside. This is the cool part. We're going to mix some paint. I haven't done this since art school. No, I didn't go to art school. I did art at school. I don't even think I did art at... Let's just mix some paint. All right, let's go. How does it work? We go, what do we do?
Right.
This is exciting. I've legit never done this before.
Rightio, so we've got the formula here to mix
Deep
the colour. As you can see, there's a fair few tinners in there.
Holy crap.
So we
1,
put
2, 3, 4. There's 9 tinters of paint to make this paint. It's not just grey. So
Alright, so we've got this on here.
how does it work?
So now we'll just pick like, let's mix 100 ml, small amount, so
Yeah, a
we
little
can
bit.
have a look. So let's put 100 in here.
Ah.
Right, then we put it up. Go to the next. Then we've got a created job, which we've already done with this car, with the Datsun here.
Oh, yep, Datsun.
Click on that, continue.
Huh.
Now it brings up all the tinners that are in there for this colour. So now we go straight to deep black here, which is one here, 409. Just give it a bit of a shake.
How much do we have to put in this?
So here now, it's already come up with how much we've got to put in, 49.6.
Oh, that's sick.
So we'll put some of that, so that'll go down to 0.
When you put enough in.
Yeah.
This is cool, I didn't even know this. So check this out. On the screen, it's letting us know how much we've got to put in.
Yeah.
Slow down, slow down. Easy. Drop it in, drop it in.
Look.
Boom. Oh, you're going one, look.
0.1 over.
0.1 over. Now we've got to tip it back out and start again. Is that going to make, that's not going to make a difference, is it?
No, it can't, but all we do here is you do that, you've got rebulk formula, so what that do then will adjust the other tinners then for what extra I've gone over to make the colour right.
You don't even need to be smart to be.
No, you know.
Okay, coarse. How's the next one? Coarse, length, metallic. I didn't have that at art school.
So that one's down here.
Oh, it's length. Yeah, there we go. This is me now. This is me. Okay, ready?
It's a little bit harder than what you thought.
Boom! Over by 0.1.
No, it isn't. It's recalculated back to the... Oh.
0, 0 on the grip. So this goes back in here now?
Yep.
This is the exciting bit. So this in here is going to turn into our colour. So I do just mix it like I'm mixing something.
Yep. Give her a stir.
Oh, look at that. This is very blue. So those extra shots of blue. We've mixed this colour, brought it out. This is what you do. You bring it out into the sun to test it. Where's our colour sample? This was the colour we wanted. And this was the colour we ended up with. And that comes down to my overpour of paint. So what I'm going to do is this, as lovely a colour as this is, we're not going to use this colour. What we're going to do is I'm going to give you that colour. I've even kept a bit on my shirt, just so, because I liked it so much.
Just let it sink in a bit.
Yeah, let it sink in and see how it dries.
Yeah.
But this is the colour we're going with. So what I'm going to do is leave it to the professionals. Glenn, you and Jason.
Yep.
Next time I see this, it's going to be that colour, not that colour, and I'm not coming back before then. So another lesson in doing up cars, if you can't do it good enough yourself, get someone that knows what they're doing to do it. Spray painting isn't just about laying down colour. It's an art form, a ritual of creativity, patience and skill. And when it comes to a classic like a Datsun Ute, it's more than paint, it's a personality. Every pass is a stroke on a canvas. It's about the whole process, taking something worn and weathered and turning it into something worth a second look.
Yeah, that'll work.
Yeah, no crap. Wow. How's the satin? How's the hardcover?
It's mad, eh? Offsetting. Look how smooth it is.
See the surprise?
Oh yeah. Where'd they come?
Oh, they said they had a set of Datsun wheels from an old car they did.
Oh, right.
And they wanted to try them on and they fitted. So they said we can have them if we want, so at least it looks good if you're going down the
Tidy
highway.
them up or whatever. They suit it.
I reckon they're cool.
Yeah. They sit nice on it. Look at that. Fresh paint.
I love it. Mate, thank you very much. Me and Ryan just checked it out. Insane. What do you think?
Love it. Love the colour. We had these wheels lying around, so
Yeah, thank you for the
we put them
wheels.
on.
Thank you for the wheels. We'll take them back and see what we can do with them.
Yeah,
Maybe
right.
we paint I might strip them and see, because they sit well.
Yeah.
We'll check the fronts when we get the front back in.
Yeah.
But if they sit well, we might be able to paint the centres, maybe the satin,
Yeah.
black, or the car colour.
Yeah. I think so.
This turned out unreal.
Yeah.
like the
Thought we'd
finish-
just do something a little bit different. I think it's a highlight for it.
Oh, I love the colour. Love the colour. It turned out sick. Like, it's a cool little car.
It is. Awesome car, man. Absolutely love it.
And we're just going to keep it nice, plain, like, not going to go crazy.
No.
Black trim,
No,
just
it's
a
good.
nice, streetable Datto Ute.
Yeah. No, it looks good.
Love it. I just leave it here. Can you finish it?
Yeah, no worries.
Yeah. All right, let's get out of here. It's 40 degrees in this shop. Let's go. There's something almost magical about seeing a car start to come together. At first, it's just a mess, a pile of parts, bolts, and dreams scattered across the floor. But slowly, piece by piece, it transforms. All right, we are back at the workshop and exciting times. We just picked up the Datsun from Exclusive. The guys absolutely killed it. So now it's time for Ryan and Hayden to start bolting parts in. They got the front end, they got the engine. Hopefully that all goes in. This is the fun stuff. It starts to come together now and we'll see what happens.
The heart of the Datsun's here. Twin cam 1.8 litre, CA18. So Nissan factory heart in the Nissan. So it'll keep everybody happy. And it's a little 1.8 litre turbocharged. Be plenty for that car. All right, so one of the first checks is just a simple one. Pull the covers off. We'll just make sure the internal looks as good as the external. It's nice and tidy. It's actually quite clean. We got told it had just on 100,000 kilometers, so it's not a lot for an engine like this. I've got a brand new clutch for it waiting, so everything's there that can support the power. The Haltech will make it run perfect. And the next step's lift over and drop it in the car. There's no better feeling than when a build hits that tipping point, when the big pieces start going together and you can finally see where it's all heading. And today, it's all about the heart of this beast, the Nissan CA18. It's a milestone, a turning point, and a reminder of why he started this build in the first place. Getting the engine in is one thing, but it doesn't mean much if the car can't roll. So next up, suspension and steering. Every nut, every bolt, it all has to line up. And yeah, it can be frustrating when things don't quite fit the way you planned, but that's part of the fun, right? This car's probably 50 years old, and these are just all worn out, grease peeling out of them, just movement not good. So we bin that, brand new, billet adjustable, all new ball joints, new drag link, rebuilt the bushings, it's ready to go in the car.
It's in these moments when the chaos starts to make sense, that the excitement kicks in. You stand back, covered in grease and grime, and for the first time, you can actually see it. The vision you had in your head is right there in front of you. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this episode. As you can see, the Datsun is coming up an absolute treat. It's like a Christmas tree. The more stuff you put on it, the better it looks. So we are pumped to continue this build. So make sure you keep up to date on Repco socials. Importantly, hit that subscribe button on YouTube. You'll be notified about the next episode.